Hey guys, Jim Setzer with Images by Design, and a couple minutes ago FedEx just dropped off this box. It contains the new Ronin SC Pro combo kit and a few accessories. Now I'm filming this because I've got my GH5, my regular video camera right here. I'm filming this on my Osmo Pro with the X5 camera gimbal kit, which has been so far my go-to gimbaled on-the-go video setup. It's okay. It certainly has its shortcomings. Don't necessarily like the DJI Go interface for having to do all the camera controls. I find it very clumsy not to have dedicated controls to be able to make adjustments on the fly. And there's just some times where you would like to have a little bit better video camera gimbaled, and so I had been thinking about the Ronin S, and it's a really nice single-handed gimbal, but it's a little bit of overkill for something like a GH5, a small mirrorless camera like this. It really is designed for a DLSR body with a little bit bigger lenses than I typically shoot. So when this came out, I thought it would be a good fit for the kind of videography that I've been doing lately. This is not a demo. This is a product I bought with my own money. So let's unbox it today and see where we go from here. The case that comes with the Pro kit is unfortunately that closed cell foam without any outer shell case. If you've got a Phantom or some of the other DJI products, you're familiar with that. We'll see. Open up the case and give you guys a quick look of it all boxed in there. Let's get rid of all this paperwork. Most of it's in Chinese anyway, and get a better look at the contents of the bag. Here's the main gimbal here, battery grip there, got a focus puller, that's part of the Pro kit. It's got this little smartphone bracket for your hot shoe, so you can do some of the DJI extra features like Track Me and those sorts of things by putting that putting your smartphone up on there and using that. Comes with a little tabletop tripod, several cables, adjustable quick release plate, and what else? Some brackets, hardware, things I'm going to have to explore. Other accessories that I decided to buy were a second battery grip. This says it's got a couple of hours of life on this battery grip. We'll have to see how that is, but a lot of times when I'm out shooting, I may need more than that, so I did get a second battery grip. I got the controller cable for Panasonic, do that, and then I got the little cheese plate, which is just a little plate with a bunch of 1/4-20 screw holes in it for being able to add other things to the gimbal. I typically walk around with small lighting like luminous cubes and things like that for those situations where I just need a little bit more light. So that's what I bought in my kit. And let's show you the whole thing again. That's what I got today, and here's where I'm going to go. I've got a couple of days to work through this in the studio. I might shoot some behind the scenes as I experiment with it. I've got a shoot scheduled in just a few days with a table tennis Hall of Fame star who is just launching a new book and has asked me to do a video of him playing table tennis with one of his sparring partners. I think I'm going to hopefully get this thing learned well enough to take it on that shoot, and with that I should be able to work up complete review video and get that out maybe middle of next week sometime. So if that sounds good to you, please do like down below and subscribe, and look forward to that video soon. For Images by Design, I'm Jim Setzer. Have a fantastic day.